Good YouTube, it's your boy Ken here, Yagami, whatever you prefer to call me, and I'm back with another video. Don't get used to that because I am dropping the Yagami part soon. So I am going to come up with a new intro. Today's video is going to be me at the Black Panther Wakanda Forever premiere. This show was lit, man. This show was crazy. It was a once-in-a-lifetime experience, but I am going to be back for more red carpets, not for the reasons I went to this red carpet. And I feel like I'm the only one who was actually recording this shit, trying to get content, because RDC and them, they was just chilling, man. They did that shit at the last one, but they recorded some videos with LeBron, because, you know, LeBron, that's how they blew up and shit. So I am going to be showing you some footage. There's going to be like clips and clips until it gets to me in my hotel talking about it, talking about the experience. So just get ready for that. I'm sorry I didn't upload this video sooner, but, you know, I've been on my COD shit. I've been grinding COD, and when I start streaming, there's going to be COD grind, camos, whatever, nigga. I'm almost done with the challenges. So, you know, just stay tuned for that. This is a little different. This is a little vlog and shit. You know, I had to get this for y'all. Some shit that nobody doing, bro. I ain't seen nobody recording for real. So, yeah. I hope y'all have a good day. I hope y'all enjoy this video. Like, comment, subscribe, all that. And I love y'all, man. Big KRG shit. We on top. Discord just hit 90. We need 100 on that bitch. Join the Discord. Link in bio. Link in bio and description. Follow the Instagram. Follow the Twitter. Follow the Twitch. All that, man. Enjoy the YouTube video. I love y'all, man. I'm out.
Yo, I am going to walk y'all through the video clips because, like I said, there's no talking in this video. But I am going to add some, you know, excess talking. We're just in the Sprint event right now. We're just waiting to depart from the hotel. As you see, you know, it's a lot of Cadillacs and Escalades and fucking all that shit. Cadillac is Escalade. I don't even know why I said that shit. But yeah, right now we're just leaving the hotels. Mad people, bro, because really, them niggas was lining up for the red carpet last night, gang. Like, motherfuckers was sitting there camping like it was a shoe release or some shit. I don't even know why. Right now we riding back past Hollywood High School. I don't know what the fuck they weak ass fucking, what's it called, is mascot or shit with some weird ass nigga. I don't even know what the fuck that shit is called, bro. There's a weird ass spelling. Right now we're just on our way to the place where they shoot Jimmy Fallon or Jimmy Kimmel, is either one of them. It's the Dolby Theater I think we went to, but right now we started at a different theater called, I think it's called the Chinese Theater or some shit. So we're just getting checked in and shit. You know, I had some little problems was happening. You're gonna see that in a couple minutes, probably a couple seconds. I don't really know how long these clips are. I just added them. You know, I just recorded and added them. Everybody in this video right now is my family. So, you know, don't be weird. Don't do anything. If this video does blow up, or when this video blows up, please don't be weird. Like, just leave my family out of this, bro. If you see me, blah, 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 cool. If you see them, just leave them niggas alone, gang. Do not fuck with my family, because one thing I don't play about is family, gang. So, just do that shit, and we cool. Right now, I can't hear what y'all hearing, but I'm pretty sure the lady is getting me situated. I did get flown out because I was personally invited, and they were trying to give us our guest passes, and they were trying to give us our after party bracelets. So basically, you had to wear a gold bracelet to get into the after party, and if you didn't have it on, the security guards will tell you, you can't come in. So basically, what happened was my name on my first ticket, my first flight was Isaiah Richard. That's not my last name, and that's my mom's last name. So motherfuckers was calling for Isaiah Richard, and he wasn't there because I'm not Isaiah Richard. So I finally got my shit situated, and then, you know, they had to make a whole new one, and it took a little time, and they got me right before we walked up. Then we had to put our stuff in, check for security, and then, you know, we walked in. And the first people I seen was RDC. You're going to see that in a couple seconds. The first people I seen was RDC, and I just went to go take a picture with them. And there should be a freeze frame on them. If the video doesn't catch them, I'm a freeze frame on them. A lot of people I met, bro. I met Angela Bassett. I bumped into her. I met RDC. It was only Ben, Leland, and Mark. I met Franklin from Snowfall. I met the nigga from Get Out. I met... RHIANNA, ASAP. Yo, bro, I met a lot of people, bro. I heard Coco was there, gang. I met Coco and shit, gang. Motherfuckers walked by her and shit. I heard Coco was there, so, you know, I had to see it because they put all the people who was there on the TV once we got into the theater, because at a certain point in this video, you're going to see that, you know, I couldn't talk. Like, well, no, not I couldn't talk, my fault. I couldn't record because at a certain point, see, look, there's my guest pass right now. at a certain point, I could not fucking record because they had to put our phones into these fucking slings and shit. And I was trying to break the sling open so I can get, you know, little record, little FaceTime calls, little all that shit. Because, you know, without my phone, I feel vulnerable. And the movie long as shit, bro. Like I said, this shit is a 10 out of 10. That shit long as shit, bro. And I'm sitting here with my phone off, and I don't like that shit, bro. You see me right here checking myself out. I was fucking with the light in that bitch. Alright, see, look, this is the red carpet. This, as soon as you walk in, this is what you see. Feel me? And then, boom, swiping over. There's RDC right there, as you can see him. You know, it's a lot of people here, man. I couldn't really catch everybody, but, you know, I caught the people I can right now. You know, posted up my cousins and shit right here, for me. Yeah, we posted up, taking pictures with the car and shit. This is how it looked that night. The shit was beautiful, bro. There was lights everywhere, bro. And that's one thing I ain't gonna lie, I didn't like, because when we first arrived, we tried to get something to eat, and it was late as hell. Everything had a neon sign and they were on, but they were all closed. That shit threw me the fuck off, bro. I don't know why LA do that shit for a fucking game. Y'all niggas got it. Motherfuckers had neon signs on, fucking excess movements on the neon sign, like customized neon signs, fucking guitars and all that shit with no open stores. Like, that shit didn't make sense. Niggas had their lights on in the fucking stores and this shit was closed. Motherfucker, I just seen a nigga walk in before this video. I seen a nigga walk into Foot Locker while that bitch was closed. Right now you can see me walking in to the theater, and at this point there was no recording, so I'm gonna let this shit play. My next self is gonna talk to me when I was in the hotel. And yeah, I love y'all, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. That's just me explaining these clips. You know, tune in to my next self, because after this I am gonna talk. So I love y'all, man. Peace out. This shit is lit, bro. I don't know if y'all can hear this shit in the background. I had to take a break because my feet was hurting. Bro, I have met RDC, RHIANNA, A$AP Rocky, the nigga from Get Out, Michael B. Jordan again. I already met him at my godbrother's wedding. Yeah, I'm here. I walked the red carpet. It's purple, but I walked the red carpet. That's the first time I met RDC. That's when I walked the red carpet. That's when I met RDC. Yeah, there's just so many people here, bro. This shit is crazy. One day I'm gonna be here without the family shit, you feel me? I got goals, I got shit I'm trying to do, and this was a taste of some of it. Bro, if y'all ain't never, bro, I'm telling you right now, chase your goals if you want to get on that fucking red carpet, bro, because that shit is fucking lit, bro. The fucking vibes from it, like, I didn't even take the pictures like the famous niggas, bro. I literally just sat there and walked, and I saw them niggas posted, them niggas had them on TV. Pretty sure I got on TV, nigga, I got the fucking shit, I got the wristband. I'm gonna go back down in a minute. But everything in that, this shit is cool, bro. I just want to say I'm sorry for like the no talking throughout the video, no vlogging type shit. I was in the fucking car, and if I just started talking, it would seem weird. I'm not there yet, you feel me? Nobody know that I really do this shit. And I was just in the Sprinter van with my family, so I ain't gonna do that shit. When I was walking, it was way too loud. We was on the streets, mad fans outside, just sitting there chilling, looking for everybody. Mad people just sitting there on the red carpet walking. I met every single person on the cast. I've been crushing on RHIANNA 95% of my life, bro, and I just met her, bro. That shit is crazy to me. I met Franklin from Snowfall. That nigga is cool as fuck. That nigga's British, and and when he seen me, that nigga said what's up in his Franklin voice, bro. That shit was fucking crazy. Nigga, what's it called? Fuck, I don't even know, bro. I'm just still surprised by that shit. I'm not the type of person to get starstruck. Like, when I walked up to RDC, we had a cool-ass conversation. We literally just talk like normal people. I don't get starstruck. My heart don't drop. I don't feel the jitters when I meet people. And I just meet them. I'll be like, damn, I just met that nigga. And, bro, I'll put the picture on the screen. I did a weird-ass smile. That's why I don't smile. But I was trying to fuck around and smile. But, yeah, nigga, I met Dez, I met Leland, and I met Mark. The other RDC guys weren't there, but it was cool. Right now, I don't know if y'all know, I'm at the Roosevelt Hotel on the 11th floor. And this is the spot in GTA where that movie theater and the tattoo shop is at. Once I start streaming, y'all gonna know why I know that. I know this whole city. It's my first time being in Hollywood. I know this whole city because of a fucking game, bro. I don't even need waypoints in GTA, so I already know where I'm going. And I've been wanting this shit for so long, bro. I got this shit for the backgrounds in my streams. We are doing I don't know when this video is going up, but we are doing the claim list currently, so I am going to be professionally editing and professionally talking on the Shure 77B or the Go XLR, all type of shit, man. This shit is gonna be fucking crazy and jam-packed. I'm telling you, I have been slacking all my life, bro. This shit is meant for me, bro, and I'm finna come for it, bro. I'm finna take it. It's a blessing that I've been dissing. I'm trying to receive this shit now, bro. I promise to you, this is just a lick of it, bro. I'm not supposed to be here, gang. Like, don't dead ass, bro. I am not supposed to be here, bro. But, feel me? Personally invited, and this shit is just it's a movie, bro. It's a literal fucking movie. Black Panther, I'm gonna give that shit a 10 out of 10, bro. Black Panther Wakanda Forever is a 10 out of fucking 10. I couldn't record inside the place, that's why you ain't getting no footage. That's why I put my hand on the camera. Probably gonna do a little edit saying Bravo C's going dark, some Captain Price shit. But other than that, man, it's cool. I've been looking for X's and Juice's star on the walk. I can't even show y'all, I can't flip the camera. I am getting a camera for Christmas though, so I'm gonna start, you know, feel me, vlogging and recording on a fucking professional ass DSLR camera. If I keep looking down, bro, I'm just trying to find words to say, bro. My arm kind of hurts, but this shit is fucking crazy, bro. Like, I swear to God. Yeah, I'm fitted, feel me? Fitted. I ain't wear no suit. I wore the vest and the shirt and the pants. I don't want to wear a suit. I want to be different. Other than that, yeah, man, it's cool. RDC and them is downstairs right now. I don't know if they staying in my hotel or if they're staying in the other hotel, but them niggas is downstairs. It's the after party right now. This shit is lit as fuck. Everybody was dressing in white. I ain't dressing white. Me personally, I'm just not dressing in all white. I just feel like I won't look good in all white. So yeah, everything, bro, it's just a fucking movie, bro, I promise. Shout out to RDC, shout out to RHIANNA, shout out to Franklin from Snowfall. I'm sorry I don't know your real name, gang, but just know I fuck with that show heavy. I've been watching that shit recently like crazy. Shout out to the nigga from Get Out. Shout out to Michael B. Jordan. I met you for the second time. I met you at Ryan's wedding. The first time I was a little ass nigga. Now I think I'm taller than you again. What's it called? Shout out to, fuck man, I don't even know. Shout out to ASAP. I try to get ASAP to FaceTime my sister. She's in love with that nigga, bro. Like, the same way I'm in love with Rihanna. I'm not even saying love, but I've been crushing on Rihanna. She been in love with ASAP, bro. I was gonna try to get him to FaceTime her off my phone and just answer. She'll be hella surprised. You know, that's my sister. That's one of the people I actually genuinely love, who I grew up with. Shit just cool, man. Other than that, I am gonna get up out of here. It's been your boy Kenshi Rage, Yagami for the call me. I am dropping that Yagami soon, so stay tuned. KRG, I love you. Bless. Quote of the day, man. Go chase this shit, bro. I said this shit in my last time, bro. When you wake up, bro, if you don't feel like doing it, that means you're supposed to do it, gang. Do not let that shit slide, bro. If you want to go to the gym and you don't feel like going to the gym, wake up and do it, nigga. If you don't feel like doing it, that's when you're supposed to do it, you feel me? Not saying when you want to do it, don't do it, but feel me? If you don't want to do it, if you wake up, I ain't going to the gym, that's when you're supposed to go. That's when something's going to happen. It's going to change you, feel me? So, just keep your fucking dreams, keep your aspirations, keep them bitches on lock, because them bitches gonna come no matter what. You just gotta keep grinding. Everybody has their time. I don't give a fuck what you going through. Your time wasn't meant for you until it's meant for you. You could be homeless, my nigga. You're going to get something coming for you, bro. Everybody deserves what's coming for them, bro. Everybody gets what they want eventually. It's just not your turn yet. But that doesn't mean stop. That means keep going, because you'll never know when it's your turn if you don't keep going. So, with that being said, it's been your boy Kenshi, or Yagami, whatever you prefer to call me. I am dropping that Yagami soon. KRG, I love y'all, man. We just hit 80 members on the Discord. Run that bitch up. Put that bitch in the bio. It's on my YouTube bio. We just got an official headline. I don't know what the shit is called for YouTube, at Kenshi Rage. First nigga to do it, no numbers in my name, blah, blah, blah. So it is official. Everything is official. Kenshi Rage on everything. Kenshi Rage on Twitch. I'm going to be back on that bitch soon, man. Next time I see y'all, I'm going to be installing my desk. I was going to do a whole video on that, but it fucked up. The desk situation got fucked up. But just know I'm coming back. I'm doing better. After that video is going to be a PC build video. If you get some videos before those, it's just because I wanted to, I wanted to go out that bitch and record. So yeah, I'm about to get back to it. Lay down for a couple. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I love y'all, man. Bless.